If you're going along on your double mosaic project and you realize that you've missed a back stitch on the back of your work, don't frog it. I'll show you how to sew it in. So I'm missing a back stitch that needs to go right here. So I just need a short piece of thread. I'm making a loop on the hook just to help hold it. Then I'm going to do my yarn over for my double crochet. We'll remove that extra loop when we're done here. So this is where the back stitch needs to go. So we're just going to go back into that third loop just like when we're normally doing a double stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over and go through 2, and go through 2 again. So that creates our double crochet. Now we can take off that extra loop that we did to hold it on the hook. So now you just need to weave in the ends. So where it would have attached is where I'm gonna take one end and go this way. And then take the other end and go the opposite direction. So that completes it, and now you just have to weave in the ends. Just follow along in the stitches that are there so that you can't see it on the back side.